Hi guys, welcome back. I hope you are having a wonderful day. We are going to work on solving equations today. Hop onto that. So this is just kind of a review from Math 7, so hopefully this looks familiar when we do it. So remember, when we're solving equations, our equal sign is our balance beam, right? So what we do to one side of the equal sign, we have to do to the other. So we have 3x plus 2 equals 6. So to get x by itself, we need to get rid of the 3 and the 2. And remember, when we're solving, we do backwards PEMDAS because we're trying to undo all the stuff we did before. So we go backwards. So we get rid of all the addition, subtraction first, then the multiplication, division. Then the multiplication, division. So I'm going to go ahead and subtract 2 from both sides because that's my addition, subtraction. 2 and 2 cancel. So then I can bring my 3x down equals 6 minus 2 would give me 4. Now I can divide both sides by 3 because the 3 is what's stopping x from being by itself. So I am left with x equals 4/3. And I can just go ahead, I'll try not to do that anymore. We can just go ahead and leave that as a fraction, okay? All right, I gave myself a little bit more room on that one. All right, so this next one, anytime we see parentheses, we want to see if anything can be done inside the parentheses, and nothing can be done. We should also see if there's any like terms, but that probably won't happen for these first couple. But if I see a number outside the parenthesis, I want to distribute it in. So negative 2 times 4 would give me negative 8. Negative 2 times negative x is going to give me a plus 2x is going to equal 8. And again, remember my balance beam is there. So I just did things on this side, so I didn't have to worry about the opposite operation. Now I have 2x, or negative 8 plus 2x, and I'm going to get rid of my negative 8 first because that's what's being added to my 2x. Okay. So I'm going to add 8 to both sides since it's a negative 8. Bring down my 2x because this cancels. So I get 2x equals 16. The 2 is stopping x from being by itself and it's being multiplied, so I'm going to divide both sides by 2. So I get x equals 8. Okay, and I can always check my work by plugging it back into my problem. So I'd have negative 2 times 4 minus 8 equals 8. Okay, so I would do inside my parentheses, 4 minus 8 would be negative 4. So I'd have negative 2 times negative 4 equals 8. And then negative 2 times negative 4 is a positive 8, so 8 equals 8. So I did in fact do this right because I checked myself and it worked out. Okay. This one, when we have variables on both sides, so we want to get our variables together, okay? So I see a 6x and a 3x. I always like to get a positive x, so I move my smaller x to my bigger x. So I'm going to subtract 3x from both sides, okay? This cancels, and so I bring down my negative 5. Make sure you bring down that minus sign there, okay? And then 6x minus 3x is 3x, and bring down my plus 2. Okay, now I'm trying to get x by itself, so we got to get rid of the 3 and the 2. And again, remember I get rid of my addition subtraction first, so I'm going to subtract 2 from both sides. So I'm going to get 3x on this side because that just comes down and the 2's cancel. And then negative 5 minus 2 would be negative 7. So I'm going to go ahead and divide both sides by 3. So I get x equals negative 7 over 3 because this 3 cancels. Okay, and we could write it flip-flopped. We could write negative 7/3 equals x. That would be the same thing. Okay. All right, go ahead and try this one and then come back and see if you have the same answer as me. So again, I'm going to go ahead and get rid of my addition subtraction first. So I'm going to add 10 to both sides. So I'm going to have 2x, because this cancels, equals 36. I'm going to go ahead and divide by 2. So I'm going to have x equals half of 36, half of 30 is 15, and 3 would be 18. Okay, I hope this video finds you well, and we'll talk to you later. Bye.